In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate and customize the Wix AI Site Chat on your website. This feature can significantly enhance user interaction by automatically responding to visitors' queries, making your site not only more engaging, but also more efficient. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to log in to your Wix account and open your site editor. Once you have your site editor open, look at the left side menu for the Add Apps icon. Clicking this will lead you to the Wix App Market, a treasure trove of applications designed to extend your site's capabilities. Here, type Wix AI Site Chat into the search bar and hit Enter. Once you spot the correct app, click on it, and then click the Add to Site button to integrate the app into your website. Now that the app is added, let's set it up and tailor it to fit your website's needs. Head over to the AI Site Chat section in your site's dashboard. This is your command center for the chat assistant. Begin by clicking on the Settings tab. The first thing you'll notice is an activation toggle. Click this to switch the assistant on. It's essential to get it up and running. Next, decide on your online chat availability. You can opt for specific hours that suit your business needs or choose 24/7 access for round-the-clock visitor support. You'll also want it to customize the action your site takes when the assistant is offline. This could involve redirecting visitors to a contact form or providing an alternative contact method. Moving on to the visual aspect, you have a lot of freedom here. Adjust the layout to suit your website's aesthetic. Decide whether you'd like the chat to appear on the left or right side of the page, and tweak its width and height for optimal viewing on your site. You can also refine the appearance further by customizing the header, the input field, and the text displayed when the chat is minimized. Design settings allow for more personalization, where you can play around with colors, change fonts, and add shadows or borders to make the chat fit seamlessly into your site's style. It's not just about looking good. Functionality matters too. Craft a friendly chat intro message that makes visitors feel welcome and informed. Don't forget to add a legal disclaimer if it's necessary for your business. Lastly, decide how you want to gather contact information from new visitors. You can specify the points at which you ask for details, making sure you capture valuable leads without being intrusive. Finally, after you've customized the assistant to your liking, it's time to go live. Hit that Publish button, and voila! Your Wix AI Site Chat is now live and ready to assist your website visitors. With these steps, you're set to make the most of Wix's AI capabilities, ensuring your site is interactive, helpful, and perfectly aligned with your brand's identity. Thank you for joining me today, and happy chatting.